Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are having this type issue that whenever you try to download or install any app, you find a pop-up message that this Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes Store. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there's a simple way. You just have to change your country and region in your app store or your Apple ID. So now to do that, very first you have to double check your network connection that you have a stable and strongest network connection. And after that you have to go to your settings app, then go for general, go for transfer VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. And after that go back, then go for software update and try to make a software update if you have find any pending software update here. And once you have done this all, you just have to go back and go for App Store here. Then you have to simply tap on your Apple ID in the top right corner. Select your account from here, and after that you might have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select the country or region option from here, and then you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So once you find, you just have to select that, then select continue from here, and then select agree in the top right corner. And now you just have to add your payment method. So if you have any payment method, it might be credit or debit card, your PayPal account, your mobile phone, or if you don't have any payment methods, you can select the none option from here, and then you have to enter these informations about yourself, or if you have any payment method, so you have to enter informations relating to your payment method. And once you have entered all of these, you just have to tap on the done option in the top right corner. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed. After doing that, you can easily download and install any app or anything from App Store without having the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.